Hello and welcome back to the Joyful Soul Creates. Charlotte here, and today I'm sharing a card for the Crafty Christmas Collab. This collaboration is going to be every Wednesday during November. Each of the participants will have picked out one Christmas pad or collection or kit, and we'll use that same kit throughout the month to make different projects. And our videos are going to be project shares only, which is a bit different for me. I normally do process videos. So I kind of did a slightly different approach to normal, and I would like to know what you think of it when we get to that bit in a moment. First, I'm just flicking through the kit that I'm using. This is called Christmas Cuddles and is from the Paper Boutique. This isn't actually what I was originally planning on using for the collaboration, but one of my viewers, Joan, sent this to me along with some other bits and pieces with the birthday card she sent me for my birthday a few days ago, and I thought it would be perfect for using for the collaboration, so that's what I decided to do. And here is the card that I made, and you can see the process just kind of up in the corner, very quickly running through. I used a circle to die cut out this penguin focal image, which I thought was really super cute. Then there was this solid kind of dark green, bluey green paper, which I cut down to be my background panel, and I decided to dry emboss that with a embossing folder which is called Subtle, which, as the name suggests, adds just a very subtle texture to it. I then added a strip of the polka dot patterned paper, which I matted onto some white glitter paper, which is from my stash, not from the kit. And that white glitter paper I actually punched with a snowflake punch. I haven't used in like 50 years or so, but I thought it would be perfect for this design. I also used that same glitter card to mat my sentiment panel and used some of the offcut snowflakes from punching the border to just embellish the design. If you'd like to see more of the collaboration, there are links to the other participants in the description box below. And as I said, this will be weekly for the rest of the month. Do let me know if you liked having that process video within the project share video, or if you would prefer me to do a separate process video. I'm up for either. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing with your friends, and shopping with my affiliate links, and also supporting me on Patreon if you do. Your support really does mean a lot to me. There are a couple of other videos showing on screen now if you'd like to see more from me straight away. Otherwise, I'll thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!